Hello everyone, time for a hotel review. Now I'm staying in Bullhead City, Arizona, which is directly across from Laughlin, Nevada, and I booked a room in the Days Inn, which is located on Highway 95 that runs through Bullhead. Now compared to the last place I stayed in Arizona, this is real nice. Okay, I have a king-size bed. There's plenty of lighting. The other place I stayed in, there was hardly any lights. It was dimly lit. The furniture was abused, and this is less money than what I paid in Chandler. Chandler was a disaster. Now another thing in Chandler, they didn't include, they had breakfast in a bag, 2 high sugar blueberry muffins in a package with yogurt and water. That was it. This place has a full breakfast, so it just shows you places are doing it place by place, and this place is excellent. Now, over here, they have a remote. I believe this is for the air conditioning. So they have a remote for the air conditioning. Now, everything's been sanitized. It's covered in plastic here. So everything's been sanitized. Now, they have a desk. They have a desk over here. Nice. I put my bag over here. Nice TV. Remote control in plastic to protect it. They have a microwave. They have refrigerator. Coffee maker. A mirror over there, another nightstand, night table, clock radio. It's all plugged in. The one that I stayed at before wasn't plugged in. They have a closet, a regular closet. I already hung up my stuff with a mirror on the outside of the door. They have the ironing board, the iron properly stored away, and they have a sink here, and the bathroom comes with the soap, shampoo, and everything. Very neat. Bathtub, very neat. Okay, no peeling paint or anything like that. So just goes to show you hotel. Now, if you're watching this video, check out the other one that I did in Chandler. That's going to be posted first, and then check out this room. It's a night and day difference. Anyway, and this is very convenient to get to, and you can go over the bridge to go to Laughlin, to go to the casinos. I didn't book a casino this time. The weekends go up tremendously for rooms at the casino. So this is a better bargain to stay on this side of the river. That's what I look for. I look for value, and I look for, getting my money's worth. Good morning. I'm got up. It is April 17th, 2022. I'm in Bullhead, Arizona. It's a lovely morning. It's around 60 degrees right now. And I'm going to go for the breakfast. I stayed at the Days Inn. This will be on the Days Inn video. Very comfortable night sleeping. And I wake up. Now, the way that this hotel is situated, when I first saw it, I was like, where's the rooms? Well, The office is on the main avenue here, and you got to come around the side, and the entrances to the rooms are over here. And here's the office, and this is where the breakfast is. Now, another thing about this place is that they have a laundry room. So that's an added bonus. And it's visible to people coming in. So let me just take a quick walk over there, and I will show you. Of course, you need a room key for entry. They use the RFID method for entering the rooms, which is very nice. And they have the ice machine in here, and they have the washing machines and dryers. Now we'll go inside here, and I'm going to turn this off for now. I have to give a ticket. In this place, they give a ticket for the breakfast, so I have to hand that in first. Now, I'm not going to go up to the counter. It's getting a little crowded here. But they have everything. They have the yogurt, they have the waffles, eggs, they have biscuit and gravy, and they have the juices. It's all very good, I can tell. So I got that. And oh, here's the front desk over here. So it's very nice. They have a computer workstation, I guess if you need to use internet, and they have a sitting area. It's very nice. So I mean, they have a toaster and everything. They had the breads, the cereals, and everything like that. So I give this place a thumbs up. Excellent. The room excellent. The food excellent. Anyway, please click like, subscribe, share, comment down below. Have a good day, everyone.